Chimney Sweet Bird by Weakley. Sacred chimney sweet bird, how absurd on dry land you seem, unlike brown screeching brother with plumb useless feathers that gleam. Your domain is on high, way up in the sky, in circular somber squadrons you soar and you fly. Please teach your screech owl brown brother to fly such mangular formations, isosceles to equilateral, riding your thermals on wings supernatural, all hinged on one lever, then a mild bilateral. First follow the leader, then fall from the clouds in one tight fell swoop, all as one free-fall delight like fiery thunderbolts out of the night. Your broad daylight sorties way out of sight. What total joy to see you alight and continue your sought-after presence, adorning watery tanks. So, chimney sweep aviators, our eternal thanks.